You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Identify the plastic wing nuts which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, pull horizontally on the terminal's red tab. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. For the reversing light bulb, simply pull it out. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To change the brake light bulb, push in and unscrew it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To change the side light bulbs and the indicator bulbs, perform the same operation as with the reversing light bulb.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tab should open up and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Finally, plug the electricity connector back in and lock it in place by pulling the color tab back. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the plastic wing nut back in and fix it by hand. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.